Mini Cooper S. Yeah, very nice acceleration, and for only 200 HP and a front wheel drive, the 0 to 100 is very good, I would say. Wow, that's pretty fast for a front wheel drive. You have to consider. But of course, a lot of wheel spin at the launch. Yeah, also the go-kart mode really makes fun. Then the experiences, so you can activate it, and you hear Yahoo! Yeah, it really makes fun. It's not exactly like a go-kart, of course, but it's now more direct, and it really makes fun. And you see the power and the torque and the G-force. It shows you the pressure of the turbo, the boost. So that's really nice. Or you can have this speedo. Now it also shows you the RPMs, the revs. Yeah, nice 100 to 200. Sadly, I don't have many other cars to compare with yet, but it seems pretty good. Of course, it's not that fast as most of the motorbikes I test, but German Autobahn. very nice top speed. Yeah, it's exactly what BMW officially claims. Very nice. And of course, for such a small car, it's really, really fast. But due to it's a small car, it's not so stable at higher speeds when you have some little bumps. It's not so stable, of course, as a bigger car, longer wheelbase or a sports car. So have fun and drive safe.